Hey, good morning everybody, it's Saturday. Welcome into the Rockstarflipper YouTube channel. Look where we are. We are in St. Augustine, just a couple miles down the road at a flea market. We're already scoring. Look, I'm holding clothes, $1 a piece. Those are some Lily pants, some Miss Me jeans, and a pair of J. Crew plaid shorts. Not the best, but for $1, you can't beat it. The guy had everything for $1. Yeah, the Miss Me is Sid's. She bought them. And
also found Patagonia.
Oh, and Sid got a Patagonia vest. Yeah, check it out. All $1. Literally like 50, 60 bucks worth of stuff for $1.
Mine aren't that
and
awesome.
$2.
I got White House new tags.
What'd you get?
White House. Cut from the cloth.
Cut from the cloth, which is decent. I sell those. And White House Black Market with a tag, all for $1. And then Colleen got a bag. I don't know. I didn't see everything, but she got some golf pants.
I got some loudmouth golf pants.
Look at these crazy golf pants. Those are classic. Check those out.
Yeah. Clark's men's shoes.
Clark's men's shoes, which she had to dig for the.
She touched them.
For the.
I touched them. Michael Kors.
Second one.
Wedges. And
Michael Kors wedges, all $1, right? $1. Even though they're like maybe a little wear on them, they'll clean up, and for $1, really, those are like $40 shoes. So make sure you check out flea markets if you have them. Two is St. Vincent de Paul. Sorry. We're gonna see if we can find some more stuff in here. MVP of the flea market up there, Colleen, probably spent what, like 150 bucks?
Yeah.
Give or take. She probably made like 500. All right, welcome back from shopping, guys. Do I look ghostly with this lighting? It's our pro Airbnb lighting. It's not the best, so work with it. But I'm gonna show you what we got. We went to a flea market and 3 thrift stores. St. Vincent de Paul, one like mom and pop shop, and then one other like thrifty treasures type shop. So the flea market wasn't the best. Colleen did amazing at the flea market, but I'll show you guys what I got. These everyone should probably recognize, these Lily Pulitzer pants. Been a while since I've done like a haul type thing, but Lily Pulitzer, these were $1. These crazy pants will sell. They're easy 20, probably more like 25 or 30. Lily Pulitzer just sells. I'll probably get 25 for these. I really don't think I'll get less than that. And then $1 for some J. Crew size 0 plaid shorts. Now the reason I got these, J. Crew is not the best, but these plaid shorts seem to do well, and they're size 0. I always sell 0 well. I'm gonna start these at 20 and try to get at least 16 to 18, but I think 20 they should sell right around at least 18, but most likely 20. So that was the flea market finds. And I spent $2. They were $1 a piece. So $2 and on those two. And then the next thrift store that we went to is where I did really well. I spent $5 on this unopened 10-pack of LD LC51 bulk ink cartridges. So there they are. This was $5, still has the number on it. They're sealed. I checked it all out. They're averaging about $35, 30 to 35. There's like $32.99, $34.99 on a $5. So pretty good. These are gonna go first class. This is probably right at £1 or more. So they're gonna cost about $8 to ship. I'm gonna pay $3 or $4 in fees. So call it 13 to be safe, plus the 5 I paid is 18, and if I get 35, that leaves me room for 17 profit. Not terrible, I'll take it. Plus they'll sell pretty quick. Ink does really well when it's sealed up brand new like this. Pair of Skechers memory foam wedges type things. These were $2, they're women's, I don't know what size. These are size women's 8 US. They're kind of nice. They're memory foam. These are quick things that you can sell for $20, $25. Now the other great thing, these are so lightweight. These are gonna go first class. I can bubble wrap these up, stick them inside of a poly or whatever, so they'll only cost about $4 to ship. I paid $2 for them. There's gonna be $3 or $4 in fees, so about $10 out total. Should get about 20 to 25 for these, so a nice 10 to 15 profit on those. All right. This is awesome. So it was $4. It included the original headphones. This is a Discman anti-skip Sony CD player. It opens up, everything is good. It says it's tested working. I'll take their word for it, even though I didn't have a CD to test with it. Great. You could put 2 AA's in it. You don't have to. Every one of these was selling for $30. I paid $4. Again, this will bubble wrap. This should make first class, I would think. And so, you know, that's 26 less fees and shipping. I might make about $18 on this. Not bad. Pretty good. And then finally, I got 6 TV/other remotes. Now let me tell you why these are all good. Okay, so this first one is a Yamaha RAV 350. It had a little LCD screen. Anytime you see LCD screens, if they're small, if they're large, typically that will make the remote worth about 15 or more. Exactly what I saw this one for. 16, 18, 16, 18, it was $1. All these remotes were $1. I got 6 of them. This one, same story. This is a Genesis TV remote with the screen. This one was selling for 20 plus, 22, 21, 20. So good there. Now this one was just a Panasonic light tower. Because it said light tower, I thought that it might be unique. It's only worth about 13, 14, but I went and grabbed it for $1. This is a Sony kitchen radio. It's teeny tiny. You guys see how small this is compared to, you know, the other remotes? It was selling for 15 straight, and the shipping on it's gonna be easy, so I grabbed it for $1. These next two you're gonna recognize. This is a Bion Air. This is for like one of those oscillating air fans. $20. Every one of these were 20 bucks. And anytime you find a Bose surround sound, like Bose remote, you guys can see that. I'll zoom up on it. Should be able to see the Bose. There you go. These are easy. I've never sold a Bose remote for less than 20. There are some less than 20, but I've never sold one less than 20. This particular one was 20, 25. So really good, $1 each. So I spent $6 on the remote. Assume 40 for those two. You know, 10 is 50, 15 is 65, and at least 15 a piece on these is 30. That's 95, 100 bucks worth of remotes for $6. The Discman, again, 30, so that's 130, and we're up to 10 bucks spent. I spent 2 on these, so $12 spent, and these are probably about 35, so 165. Another 30, so 195, and I'm up to 17. And then I spent 2 more. So I spent 19, and these should be about 25. So, you know, 25 and what were we at? 30, 130, 160, 80, probably over $200 if I had to guess. We got the clothes here at 20 and 15 is 35. We got 30 on this is 65. We got the remotes looking at, you know, close to 100, so that's 165. We got 30 on this is 195, and then the shoes at 25 puts us at 220, and I spent $19. That's how you go to thrift stores. Couple hours, we were gone like 2-3 hours. Nice haul. You know, if I had bought more of the stuff, spent some more money, I could have probably spent $30, $40 and gotten $300, $400. I think, you know, Colleen spent like $200 and probably got about 1,000 worth of stuff. So there's a lot of things to be had. You know, average cost of goods here, $19, and I bought 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 items. So you're talking about less than $2 an item, like $1.75 an item, average cost of goods. So cannot beat that at all. When your cost of goods is that low, you're putting stuff up for 20, 20, 20, 20, 25. You can build an inventory, build a store, go out on the weekend, buy yourself, you know, this was what, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11 items. I could have probably, if I hadn't been with everyone else, I'm thrifting with them, I would have picked up some of those items. You can go out and pick up 20, 25 items, do it again on a Sunday. You can pick up 50 items a weekend, 200 a month, and after a couple months, you're only spending what, you know, 20, 40, maybe 50 bucks a weekend. You spend $200, you're gonna do 2,000 or 3,000 in sales. Get it all listed. It's really, you can sit down. I'm gonna sit down here at the Airbnb while I'm waiting for the girls to shower and makeup and hair for dinner. In that hour, I'm gonna photograph these at the table. They're not gonna be perfect photos, but they're good enough to get these 6 remotes and all the electronics up. I probably won't do the clothes or the shoes, but I'll do the rest of it. And I bet you I'll sell a couple of these by tomorrow. So make sure you keep your eyes open, look for this stuff, look for cost of goods. Don't pay up unless you have to. If it's a great item, pay up by all means, but otherwise, you know, keeping stuff around $1, $2, $3, $5, selling it for 20, 25. Yeah, it's a little volume, but you can build a business, build an inventory, and only spend a couple $100 a month and do $2,000, $3,000, $4,000 a month in sales. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this little mini thrifting trip that we did here. Glad to bring it to you. St. Augustine is a great thrifting town for tourists. Even though it's a little town, it had 3 thrift stores plus the flea market that was great, and then there's also Goodwill we didn't go to. So there's like 4 or 5 places right within 5 miles of here, and then there were more within 10 miles that we didn't even go out that far. So if you live close to St. Augustine, it's worth taking a little stop in town. Okay, we're gonna let the girls get ready. I'm gonna list, we're gonna go out. I'll have some more video for you guys, but enjoy this. Make sure you give it a thumbs up, make sure you like it. And until next time, have a wonderful evening. And if you guys need a sourcing guide or you want all 7 sourcing guides, they're still on my website for $20. I haven't changed it. Look below, the link will take you directly to buy them. All 7 guides, eBay, Amazon, Poshmark, estate sales, social media guide, the whole thing. 20 bucks. Get them now. It auto emails you. You don't gotta wait on me. It's worth it. A ton of people have gotten it, left me great reviews, so check it out, and I appreciate it. See you guys next time.